So here you can see I've sprayed diatomaceous earth around the nest, and these yellow jackets are like trying to figure out how to get in now. They don't want to touch it. They're afraid of it. They sense that it's bad. I've already killed one nest by doing this, and they some will get brave and actually try to go in, but once they get that on their body, they're pretty much goners. And I think they sense that. So you'll see some try to actually get in, but the ones that are in there are trapped and they'll die trying to get out. And these ones trying to get in, once they bump into a few of these limbs or whatever that have it on there, they're goners as well. And if they do make it into the nest, they'll drag it on in to the rest of them, and it'll spread. It'll ultimately just kill them all. I already got rid of one nest this way that was in the cinder block of my house, and now these are down in some bush. They burrow down in the ground, and it's yeah, it's where I need to do some trimming. You can see I was trimming. Three of them came out last week. It stung me, and so I did a little research, and it's definitely the way to go. So just have to wait a few days for them to die out, and then I can get back to work on this.